Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource. Morningstar.com provides a wealth of investment research and management tools. It offers a comprehensive platform for analyzing stocks, funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles. Users can access in-depth analyst reports, financial statements, historical performance data, and a variety of valuation metrics. The website caters to both individual investors and financial professionals, offering different levels of membership to suit varying needs. Basic membership provides access to core data and tools, while premium subscriptions unlock more advanced features, including portfolio tracking, personalized investment advice, and access to premium research reports. One of Morningstar's strengths is its independent research and ratings. Their analysts provide unbiased evaluations of investments, helping users make informed decisions. They are known for their star rating system for mutual funds and ETFs, which assesses past performance and risk-adjusted returns. In addition to research tools, Morningstar offers portfolio management features that allow users to track their investments, analyze their asset allocation, and monitor their portfolio's performance. This can be especially helpful for investors who manage their own investments and want to stay organized. Furthermore, Morningstar provides educational resources, articles, and videos to help investors improve their financial literacy and make better investment choices. They cover a wide range of topics, from basic investing principles to more complex strategies. While Morningstar.com is a valuable resource for investors of all levels, it's important to remember that no single tool can guarantee investment success. It's crucial to conduct your own due diligence and consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Utilizing Morningstar's data and tools can be a powerful component of a broader investment strategy, empowering users to make more informed and confident decisions. For those looking to delve deeper into investment analysis, Morningstar.com offers a robust set of features and resources worth exploring.